For those seeking top-rated window replacement Kuna ID services, our team of experts is here to provide unparalleled quality and craftsmanship. We specialize in affordable window replacement Kuna Idaho, ensuring that your home is equipped with the best energy-efficient windows Kuna has to offer. Our Kuna Idaho window installation experts are dedicated to delivering exceptional results, whether you need vinyl windows Kuna or custom window solutions Kuna Idaho. When it comes to window replacement Kuna, our professional window replacement Kuna ID specialists are equipped to handle any issue. From window leak replacement Kuna to window sash replacement Kuna, we offer comprehensive residential window services Kuna. Our window replacement specialists Kuna ID are committed to restoring your windows to their optimal condition, ensuring your home remains secure and energy efficient. Energy-saving windows Kuna Idaho are a smart investment for any homeowner. Our energy-efficient windows Kuna are designed to reduce your energy bills while enhancing the comfort of your home. With our window insulation experts Kuna Idaho, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective living environment. Trust our window replacement Kuna ID contractors to provide the best window services in Kuna ID. For those in need of window glass replacement Kuna, our window glass replacement services Kuna Idaho are second to none. We offer a wide range of options, including double-pane windows, Kuna, and sliding windows Kuna, to suit your specific needs. Our window glazing professionals Kuna ID ensure that your windows are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Window maintenance. Kuna is crucial for the longevity and performance of your windows. Our window fitting Kuna and window caulking services, Kuna ID, are designed to keep your windows in top condition. Whether you need window screen replacement Kuna or window hardware replacement Kuna ID, our team is here to assist you with all your window maintenance needs. Custom windows Kuna Idaho are a great way to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. Our custom window solutions, Kuna Idaho, are tailored to meet your unique preferences and requirements. From window frame replacement Kuna Idaho to window tinting services Kuna Idaho, we offer a comprehensive range of services to transform your home. For those experiencing window leaks, our window leak solutions, Kuna Idaho, are designed to address the issue promptly and effectively. Our window seal replacement Kuna and window caulking Kuna services ensure that your windows are properly sealed and protected from the elements. Trust our local window experts Kuna ID to provide reliable and efficient solutions. Vinyl window installation. Kuna Idaho is a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and style. Our vinyl windows, Kuna, are available in a variety of designs and finishes, allowing you to customize your home to your liking. With our home window replacement Kuna ID services, you can enjoy the benefits of modern, energy-efficient windows. Window hardware. Kuna is an essential component of any window system. Our window hardware replacement Kuna ID services ensure that your windows operate smoothly and securely. From window sash replacement Kuna to window screen replacement Kuna Idaho, our team is equipped to handle all your window hardware needs.